Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about disadvantage of polymorphism. So what is the disadvantage of polymorphism? We cannot access the specialized method using parent type reference. Like if there is a parent type reference and child type object, then we cannot access the specialized method. See, in this code, we are writing this plane is takeoff, cargo plane is flying. All these are overridden and inherited methods. So we are able to inherit the like access the inherited method and the overridden method, but we are not able to access the specialized method. See, this is our specialized method which is only present in our child class. Carry cargo. So it is not printing here. Like carry cargo is carrying cargo. So how we will print this specialized method? So there is a different rule. Now how we are able to access the specialized method? So specialized method can be accessed with the help of downcasting. So now we will see what is downcasting. We know that with the help of polymorphism, we can access inherited method and the overridden method. Means parent type reference and child type object. But we are not able to access the specialized method. So we are using downcasting. Now we will see what is the meaning of downcasting. Downcasting means child type reference and child type object. So basically we are again converting the parent type reference to child type object, that is loose coupling to tight coupling. We know that if there is a child type reference and child type object, then it is called as tight coupling. So we have to convert these in downcasting, so we are able to access this specialized method. Now we will see how to do that. See here. In this we are doing tight coupling to loose coupling. Loose coupling, you know, parent type reference to child type object. Now this is our parent class and this is our child class. Now I will write specialized method, that is carry cargo. Inside this I will write carry cargo. Okay. Now again in this void carry passenger. Carry passenger. Okay. These are the two specialized methods. So it is not present in our parent. Now how we will do? Now I will save it. See, only overridden method is printing. So how we will do? We will do typecasting. Typecasting means, so this is our parent type reference plane and we are calling this CP and again fly. Now what we will do? We will write cargo plane ref dot carry cargo. So here we are changing this reference to cargo plane, that is child. Our child is cargo plane. So we are changing this reference to cargo planes, means child type object and child type reference. This is only called as downcasting. Now we will run and see the output. So see here, we are able to print this carry cargo. Now again for different child, PP, and now again we will do passenger plane, making it as a reference. Now we are calling carry passenger method. Now we will save, now we will run. So here we are able to print this carry passenger. Why? Because we are doing downcasting. Now once I will revise, so it will be more clear. See here, downcasting means tight coupling and upcasting means loose coupling. So we can achieve polymorphism when I will write there tight coupling means par child type object, child type reference. Okay. Now loose coupling means parent type reference, child type object. Okay. So first of all, how we will achieve polymorphism? Polymorphism means loose coupling, means parent type reference, child type object. So parent type reference, child type object, polymorphism can be accessed in overridden method and overridden method in inherited method. That's all. Okay. Now we want to access the specialized method. For that we have to convert that in the tight coupling, that is downcasting. Downcasting means child type reference to child type object. This is only the polymorphism. Okay. Now we will see different type of polymorphism. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. I will explain it. Okay. Polymorphism. Now see. Polymorphism. One is compile time polymorphism. And the other one is runtime polymorphism. So polymorphism has two types. One is compile time and one is runtime. So what is compile time? Compile time we already discussed. If anyone didn't see my that video, go and see that video. In that video, I have explained about method overloading. So it is only compile time polymorphism. What is compile time polymorphism? Which is done in the compilation, like method overloading. Okay. Now, time polymorphism is our method overriding. That also we have already discussed. Okay, method overriding. Okay. Now, we will see different name of compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Number one, static polymorphism. And the second one is static. Compile time polymorphism. Compile time. And the third one is static binding. Because binding happened during compile time. Runtime polymorphism. And then another one is runtime binding, dynamic binding, late binding. Okay. And one more is dynamic method dispatch. So these are the different name of runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Inside this, I will add. We have seen compile time polymorphism in method overloading and runtime polymorphism is method overriding. Okay, these are the two topics. So we have completed our polymorphism. In the next class, we will see about abstraction. So thank you.